Hi, we're Stream, and today we're going to give you an overview of how to fit a face-fitted, central opening pleated fly screen door. It's important that you fit your screen squarely to ensure it functions properly. If you're unsure, check at intervals using a spirit level. Take the two 40mm side channels and drill the fixing holes through the face of the channel. Smaller holes through front to back, and then a larger hole on the front only for the screw heads to pass through. Drill the top track in the same way. Take the 4 corner pieces and make up the 3 sides of the outer frame. Place in position against your door frame and screw fix into position. Insert the cover caps to hide the screw holes. Take the 2 pieces of 4mm bottom track, peel off the adhesive backing from the first and fit into place. Slot the oval track joiner onto the second track piece, and with the adhesive backing removed, slot onto the first piece. Take the first mesh and with the tensioner to the top facing outwards from the door frame, ensure the strings to the bottom and top are coming from under and over the mesh respectively towards the middle of the screen. Sit it on the bottom track and push it up against the side channel. Starting from the bottom, gently pull the mesh away from the silver metal element and push the unit into the channel. As you move upwards, you will start to hear it clip into position. Take the strings at the bottom, slide the bar along the strings up against the knot, and with the legs facing upwards, push it into the joiner. Leave the strings long at this point. Take the strings at the top, take the knot over to the opposing side of the screen and hook the knot behind the V of the adjuster in the top track. Now repeat this process with the second mesh. Once you have tested the screen, cut the top and bottom strings and insert the central clip into the joiner. Push the tensioners on the front of the handlebars so they touch the top track. Screw into position. Retest the screen. If you wish to attach the windproof clips at the top of the screen, decide on their position and then gently push the mesh out of the track. Angle and push the slider into the top track. Fit the clip onto one of the mesh folds. Push the mesh back into the top track, slotting the protrusion on the clip into the slider. Push the cap into the bolt insertion hole on the mesh and drop the mesh inserts into either side of the handlebar. The handlebar itself provides a minimalistic handle, but there are also D-shaped handles you can fit if you prefer. Insert the handle fixing pad into the groove on the handlebar at the position you wish to fit your handle. Place your handle onto the insert and snap into position. Screw to the fixing pad. If you have any questions when you come to fit your screen, please do get in touch. We are more than happy to help. Thanks so much for watching.